by these data models. But if you think about it, then if you really manage to throw all these into one thing, then you get something which has a solution space which is even larger than what the relational model had in mind. Yeah, so this is really covering a lot of ground. Let me give you a showcase where this multi-model actually shines. Sure, it's good if you need a document store in one corner of your product and a graph database in the other. But here's an example which is far more interesting. Okay, this is a picture which doesn't tell you anything, but imagine a fleet of aircraft. It consists of aircraft. An aircraft consists of, say, 6 million individual parts. And if you think how the little parts come together to larger units, which come together to larger components of the airplane, which come together to a large airplane, which comes together to a large fleet, then you see a graph structure there. That is containment. So every component is linked to the subcomponents, and every subcomponent is linked to the sub-subcomponents. And here we have graphy questions. For example, give me all the parts which are in one engine. Or give me all the parts which are in some aircraft. So, other questions might be, if I want to exchange this little screw, what is the smallest component which I can actually exchange in an airplane? Yeah, so that's unknown length of the path. So here you go. This problem, and that's actually an actual customer of ours, is well modeled with a graph database. But here comes the caveat. If you just use a graph database, you can only do graphic